Díobh gach duine agus fáilte chuig Scoil Acla fiche héin. Bhuaitlim fáilte a chur ribh an luchtféachanna atá ag ghlathú póirt is Scoil Acla ar líne agus na daoine atá ar fud na háite ag Cathaoirleach in Acla. Seo an dara bhliain as a céile nach bhfuil an deis agin teach le céile agus féle Scoil Acla a reachtáil maris go ná. Éiríonn muid go mór an ceiliúrú ar ceol, oidhreachta agus cultúr Acla. An cóúidir an córdas agus an teach le céile a tharlaíonn an seo in Acla chuile bhliain. Tá athrú ulmhór taca ar síl le bliain go le anuas, ach le cúna dé, cóhibrú idir na náisiún agus féin na naoine tá feabhsaigh teacht ar chuirsaí. Tá réimse leathan himachtaí ar siúl an teachtain seo idir rangannaí, siúlóidí, seisiún ceol, léachtainna agus ceol curmacha. Is féidir leat bheith pórtach pe-áit na bhfuil tú ar domhan. Sa scéal inniu ag affran an le chualamid an scéal a chuthíonn dóchas agus muín dún in rádé. Tá guiaging an seo in Acla fáilte ribh tilé. Tásúlagin go méid an seachtain agin im lína agus táid dóchasach go méid seachtain níos fearr agin an bhliainte thugging. Mar seo, bígí linn ar Facebook nó a measc an ceol an seo in Uile Acla. Hello and welcome to Scoil Acla 2021 live on Facebook and in face-to-face here in Achill Island. We, the Committee of Scoil Acla, are delighted to bring to you a range of events and we hope there's something to suit all tastes. This year we are concentrating on supporting the artists and we have tried to support each and every tutor who's involved in both our winter classes and our summer school annually. We have a range of events online, including highlights such as our Zoom interactive classes, master classes, lectures, and our highlights would be our recital and our ceol curm, which will be on Wednesday night and Friday night respectively at 8 o'clock. But for those of you here in Achill Island, there's plenty of music, ceol, song and dance for you to enjoy. We will have some sessions on Ceol and Degurt Beach, Trad ar an Trá, and we'll also have an area taking place on Saturday at Lourdes in Dua at 12 o'clock. We have included in our programme this year some siúlóidí starúla, so some historical walks. With an emphasis on outdoor events, we've tried to be as dynamic as possible and to include a range of activities. We will have Paddy Ryan and John Twin McNamara raising the flag at our Éireacht on Saturday, and we're delighted to welcome local musicians here in Acla for the Trad ar an Trá events. We would be delighted if you could join us online or join us at some of our live events also. We're planning a great week and we are delighted, as I said, to support the artists. We know it's been a difficult year for everyone and it has given us time to reflect and to build our digital archive online, and it's also given our musicians some time to develop their creativity. So we're looking forward to see what's going to come out in the classes this week. I'd like to thank our funding agencies and local organisations who have been very supportive. Our main sponsors are Ailín na Gaeltachta, First na Gaeilge, the Arts Council. Without this funding, we wouldn't be able to provide such a range of activities and support these artists in this way. This year has given us the opportunity to build capacity as an organisation, and this involved developing our website and building our digital archive. We are delighted to have a wide range of materials now available for you in our digital archive, and if you have more content which you would like to add, please get in touch. So for those of you interested, you can check out www.scoilacla.ie. So to keep up to date with all of this week's going-ons, please stay in touch via Facebook, and Bear Bua agus Bannacht. Have a great week.
Hi Sarah and all the team at Scoil Acla. We here in Achill Tourism wish you the very best as you launch Scoil Acla 2021. We know it's going to be an entertaining week and we're looking forward to catching up with it both online and live as the week progresses. All the very best from Chris and the team here in Achill Tourism.
Bhála Ailín na Gaeltachta gach rá a go ar Scoil Acla fiche héan, tá an obair chuirteach ag costanna féile I rís simléana agus rion leathan imachtaí ar fáil chun phobal, bé idir imachtaí fiúrúil agus imachtaí beo ar fáil, mar hampla bé cadil ceol ar fáil ar lína, béon ceol chur mór le feiceáil, tá trad bartaí ar an trá nach aldaní sin an aimse seo, ceordlanna, máiste ranganí, siúlóidí, cainteannaí, agus tá gach ólas le fáil fin na himachtaí seáileog ar thiamh Scoil Acla héin sin na www.scoilacla.ie go mar is bún agus cóhairid is líb.
Clenne minska kjarda, foim wag jasif en alling, mar hjolte bing na glarsjach, nu kronan kjolte ski. Ta sjeger i narje, eg njart og gus eg jardu, ta nu me ger i lodger chi, og ta ginger hui. Ker de sjån ar jimpel, eg kjolt har rakt se skisko, wil marul tjicht er minching, nu an näsling e an glor. Ni ha, harje, tan gof sjohen ska kjarde, ta tjangi ving ar mahar, eg muskel jim vi å. Ta fóim wag vin a gweilje, eg du seach dóin a slifte, ta lu a tjicht na giega, gus min a kri. Ta skapu na njelta, ta an bron hi a gelu, is sol is gal na grene, eg a tanu hi a risht. Ta glor even usal, eg kronan in ar glusi, ni spingen an a kucha, nu kelur queen small. Ta changi ving i parig, le clash jaile na banta, in lan a gwys ar ordan, o changu can we o.